Hello, I'm Nazima. This day's topic is like two sides of a same coin. The topic is simile and metaphor from figures of speech. To understand a topic, let us see the difference between simile and metaphor. Difference between simile and metaphor. Simile is a Latin word coined by Aristotle. Metaphor is a Greek word coined by psychologist Julian Jaynes. Simile shows comparison between two unlike things or two different objects or actions. Metaphor makes declaration between two unlike things, different objects or actions. An easy way to spot simile is to look for the words like, as, so as. In metaphor, auxiliary verbs are used such as is, was, are, were, etc. Simile is an explicit comparison, does not have any inner or hidden meaning. Metaphor is an implicit declaration, has inner meaning and truth. Simile is used to praise, appreciate, or to describe something or somebody. Metaphor is used as a title for the people or pen name or nickname of the people. For example, she looks like you is not a simile because it's a comparison between two equal things, that is, two human beings. In the same way, the sentence, the world is like a stage, is not a metaphor as the word like is used. He is tall like giraffe is a simile because it's a comparison between two unlike things, that is, person's height is compared with giraffe. All the world's a stage is a metaphor because Shakespeare declared the world is a stage in which all are acting as all believes that everybody is watching us. Okay, let us understand the topic with some more examples. Simile, he is knowledgeable like encyclopedia. Metaphor, he is a walking encyclopedia. In the given example for simile, the man's knowledge is compared with encyclopedia with the word like. Hence, it is a simile. In the given example for metaphor, the man's knowledge is declared as an encyclopedia. Hence, it is a metaphor. Simile, her lips is as red as rose. Metaphor, she has a rosy lips. In the given example for simile, the redness of her lips is compared with the rose flower. Hence, it is called as a simile. In the given example for metaphor, her lips itself is considered as the rose flower. Hence, it is a metaphor. Simile, her eyes is like a fish. Metaphor, she has a fish eye. In the given example for simile, the beauty of her eyes is compared with the fish with the use of the word like. Hence, it is called a simile. In the given example of metaphor, it is declared that she has a fish eye. Hence, it is called as metaphor. Simile, she is like apple of my eye. Metaphor, she is an apple of my eye. In the given example for simile, she is compared with the apple of my eye with the help of the word like. Therefore, it is a simile. The given example for metaphor, she is declared as apple of my eye. Hence, it is a metaphor. Simile, the boy's heart is as pure as gold. Metaphor, the boy's heart is gold. In the given example for simile, the boy's heart is compared with the gold with the help of the word as. Therefore, it is a simile. The given example for metaphor, it is declared that the boy's heart is gold. Therefore, it is a metaphor. Metaphor is also be used as the title of persons. For example, Dr. Abdul Kalam is the missile man of India. Tipu Sultan is the tiger of Mysore. Title of persons contains true historical background. Let's recall. Simile. Simile refers to comparison of two unlike things. Words to spot simile is like, as, so as. For example, she is as knowledgeable as encyclopedia. Metaphor. Metaphor refers to declaring two unlike things. Metaphor can be used with the auxiliary verbs such as is, was, are, etc. For example, she is a walking encyclopedia. It's time for activity. Identify the given sentences, simile or metaphor. That's all about figurative language, simile and metaphor. See you with another